Red hot tip in the snow. Get some snow boots. You know, great examples. High tops. You know, you're not going to get snow in your shoes. Then you got fucking idiots. At least I got swag.
Alright, it's a lovely sunny day. Up the snow's melting. Wow, we're going to go hike and explore and get really puffed out really quickly. For a hike, we found some spots with good fucking snow, so we're gonna gear up and go for a little sesh. Could be fun. First fuck around of the season.
It's a big hike. Just got a 30-second run. Worth it though.
Finished our first session boarding of the season. It's pretty slushy, there's not much of it. A few rocks around, but it was worth it. Now to go home and eat a big family dinner. Nick's first night at work. Security at sessions. So we thought we would go down and support him by getting heaps drunk and showing up.
Nick's just started work tonight and we're catching up with all the new locals.
It goes up to the hill there, walk up. Our first night out at Nick's bar. We're trying to get kicked out, but he won't kick us out because he's a little bitch. Today we're going hiking. Had little snow in the last week. The sun's been out every day. It's actually been pretty good, but leaves us little to do until the mountain opens, which requires more snow. So today we're just going to go hiking around while we can, while the paths are all clear, and have a look at what we got. How you feeling?
Puffed. Can't breathe out my nose. Not helping. But power up. Power on.
We made it to Gem Lake. How good. Didn't even know we were walking here. Man, we are so close to a season starting. We just need a few more dumps from the snow gods. It's my birthday.
One more jog and we'll call it a day. One more. One.